Hope y'all are having a great new year already. You know, I'm trying to stay positive this year, man. Upload a lot of content. You know, have fun with this 340i, man. So happy to have this car starting the new year, man. I can't wait to, you know, put all these carbon fiber parts that I want. It's gonna be dope. Okay, bro, what are we doing? Where are we going right now?
We are on our way to fill up some deionized water. You're gonna cut that out, right? Oh,
no, we're leaving that in. That's staying in the video. No.
Bro, I get so nervous when people start looking at me.
What is deionized water?
Deionized water is pretty much so in the city that we live in, LA, usually most waters here have calcium in it, and that's exactly how you get water spots. So when you use this, you don't run the risk of possibly leaving water spots, and it makes your life so much easier to dry, and then if you miss a spot, you don't have to really stress about it.
Yeah. We just made it to the customer's house. Check out this GT4. This thing is nuts, bro.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna go outside, let you guys get to it. I'll be back out.
Whew, look at them brakes. Look at that. Manual. Where we at, George?
Alright, man. So, we're just not getting ready to start detailing this.
What car do we got? Show us.
So it's a Porsche GT4, one of my dream cars. So yeah, these cars do take a little bit longer just because we have to put a little more care into them. So yeah, let's get the show on.
All right. Sounds good. One day, bro, I'm gonna own this car, own a house just like this nice little neighborhood. That's the goal, you know. That's why 2023, man, we're gonna start getting there, bro. We're gonna do what we gotta do to succeed in life, you know. Life is hard. It's hard, bro. But as long as you're committed, you're consistent, and you just know what you want, man, then you're unstoppable. So yeah, man, if you guys need, you know, your car detailed, the interior to the exterior to the engine, to, you know, deep clean the brakes, engine deep clean, hit up my buddy George, B's Mobile Wash. I'll put it right here in the corner. And yeah, man, super amazing guy. I'm sure you guys will love him, and you know, he's super chill, easy to get along with. And he knows his stuff, man. Look at that, he got his whole van. He got one generator, and he got another one. He's prepared, bro. He's prepared. So, like I said, guys, hit him up. You got any exotics, any just cool show cars, any car, man, just let him know at B's Mobile Wash. Send him a DM. Tell him Eric sent you. Yeah, man, I just can't get over this red. It's so gorgeous, dude. It like really pops out on the camera for some reason.